Hey guys, it's Olivia, and today I have Ventures here. She's gonna help me try to make a TikTok video. I've never done it before. I don't have the TikTok app, but we're gonna try. So which one do you have for us today? What's it called? Is there like a name for these?
There's not really a name.
Oh, okay. So let's watch it. Okay. That seems really hard, but we're gonna try it.
Got it.
Okay, you're gonna have to coach me.
I don't even know how to do this one.
Oh, good. Okay, so what's the first thing? Oh, geez. Okay. Which one?
Oh, same one.
What? I don't get this. Do you know what they're doing?
No.
Okay, ready? That hurt. Yeah, you keep my foot. You kind of.
What did they do after that one?
Okay.
I do not know.
Okay. And then this one.
Mm-hmm.
And then.
That hurt.
Okay, let's watch.
Maybe that's why they're wearing shoes.
So they hit this one, and then they hit this one again, and then they inside, outside, cross.
Yeah.
I'm sweating. Need a hair tie. I'm gonna get a hair tie. Oh God.
Is there anyone for me?
No, I don't have a second one. Oh, God. Okay. Whew. Looking crazy here.
Not bad.
Do you want to do it again?
Yeah, one more.
Ooh. We got this. Ready?
Who else? 5, 4, 3.
We did it. We did it? Does that count?
Pretty much.
I'm gonna call it.
Okay.
I think we're done. We did it.
Oh my goodness.
She's posting it now. Don't forget to like and subscribe. This was Olivia Tries Things with Adventures. I'll put her channel at the end there. All right, see you guys next time.